Hey, guys! Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can send mails into Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail application, and after opening the application, you will get this compost button down here. Simply click into the compost button, and after clicking there, you'll get this interface here. You just simply have to enter the email address of the person that you want to send email to. Simply put the email address into this tab here. After entering the email address, you simply have to write down your subject into here. And after writing down the subject for your email, you have to compose email. Now, you have to enter all the details into this part here. Just simply write down all the details that you have about your message. And after writing down the body part for the email, you can attach file from here. After doing all the things that you have to do and writing down your body part, also known as message part, simply click into this send button, and your email will successfully be sent to the person. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.